Hey guys, today we're at the American Classic Car Club's Christmas lunch. We've got a lot of cars here today. We'll go around and have a look at them. Some really nice ones here today. There's a lot of them. Some massive tanks. This one's a mean one. Cool. Bit of a wander through. Nice 1934 Chevy. Very cool. Nice purple. Very nice. Good old American classics, these things. I like this one. Very nice. 59 Dodge. Very cool. Nice red on this. Nice classic, this one. Is that 1930? Wow. That's in good condition. And a Chevrolet Caprice. Well, this is cool. Oh, look at this one coming in. Very nice. That's cool. There's the car I came in today. 1973 Corvette. Excellent. This whole aisle here is all Chevys. There's the Chevy alley, this one, and we'll go up to Ford alley, which is just up here. Ooh. Couple more coming in. Excellent. Now we're at Ford Alley. Some beautiful cars here today. This is a nice one. I like this one. Couple of nice Mustangs here. That's a lovely Cougar, that one. Lovely white on that, very clean. There you go. American Classic Car Club. So yeah, this is the Christmas lunch for the American Car Club. Good turnout here today. Excellent turnout. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more car show videos like this coming very soon. There's a few more coming very soon. So thanks guys for watching again, and we'll see you in the next one. See you guys.